Hi everybody, welcome back. My name is John from Stout Tanks and Kettles, and we have another package from our warehouse that we are going to open up and find out what is inside. Okay, what have we got? Oh, we have a pressure gauge with a tri-clamp fitting on there. We have another pressure gauge, a bottom mount fitting. We have a pressure gauge with a back mount fitting. And there's one more in there. Another bottom mount pressure gauge. This time has glycerin in there. Let's talk about these real quick. Tri-clamp fitting. This is great for a sanitary use of your pressure gauge. This is great when you have a sanitary application and you want to make sure that there's no contamination that can affect your product. We also have the back mount pressure gauge, which has a back mount fitting, so if you have a horizontal port, you can just thread that in and you can easily see the pressure gauge. You don't have to have some funny orientation that way. We have the bottom mount fitting, so if you have a vertical pointing up or down, either way, preferably pointing up, you can screw that in and you can easily read your pressure that way. And here we have the same thing, but it's a glycerin filled. Now, the purpose for a glycerin filled pressure gauge is to dampen vibration in case you have pressure changes creating vibration in the needle. The glycerin will dampen that and make it much easier to read. It will actually extend the life of the pressure gauge as well. We ship our pressure gauges without glycerin. You can add your own. You can simply remove the cork on top, fill it with glycerin, and put it back on. Also, on all pressure gauges, you want to open up the vent on top and let it equalize with atmospheric air pressure. That will give you more accurate readings on your pressure gauge. That's all we have for today. Thanks again, and we'll see you next time.